Hello friends, welcome. In this video, we are going to discuss the complete process of e-invoicing. How do you register your GST identification number on e-invoice portal, that is IRP portal, and how you can enable e-invoicing for your GST number. And we also understand how you can create API users to generate e-invoices via any accounting softwares. And we also discuss how you can generate e-invoice on three methods. The first method will be how you can generate e-invoice using Tally application. Within Tally application, you can just enter your API user credentials to generate e-invoice instantly along with e-Waybill also. And then we also discuss that how you can generate e-invoice using Tally application even though if API user logins are not available or not even created. And we also understand that how you can generate e-invoice even though if you do not use any accounting software. In this method we will use the tool separately to generate JSON file and again to upload on the e-invoice portal. So and first we understand what is e-invoice. In order to streamline the invoicing system in GST regime, CBIC Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs has introduced the system of e-invoicing and has made it mandatory for taxpayer in PASES. E-invoicing implies that every registered taxpayer are required to generate and issue invoices electronically online, known as e-invoicing. And first we will understand when e-invoice is mandatory and to whom it is mandatory, and it is implemented on the different phases. And now e-invoice is mandatory if your business turnover is greater than turnover. If your business previous financial year turnover is greater than 10 crore, now the e-invoice is mandatory from 1st October 2022. So in this series of videos we are going to understand the complete process of e-invoicing. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome. In this video, we're going to understand how you can register your GST number on e-invoice portal. So here, I'm going to start the same. So first, you need to visit einvoice1.gst.gov.in. First, you need to visit this website, and here there are two parts of the registration. First, you need to get registered and then you can log in. In this registration option also you have two options. One is the portal login and then you have invoice and enablement. First I'm going to click on portal login, and when you click on portal login it will be asking you to enter your GST identification number. So if you once enter your GST identification number, it will be giving you the list. And here you need to confirm the OTP. If you once confirm the OTP, it will be giving a chance to create your own username and password which is used to log into your e-invoice portal regularly. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome. In this video, we are going to understand that how you can enable e-invoicing for your GST identification number after the registration. First, you need to complete your registration and then you need to enable e-invoicing for your GST identification number. To enable e-invoicing, just you need to go to same registration option and click on e-invoice enablement. By the moment whenever you click on there, it will be asking you to confirm your GST identification number. If you once confirm your GST identification number and then enter the captcha, and then you required to click on the go option. So here I am going to enter the captcha, that is J9EKN, and click on go, and here it is confirming you the details. So you need to accept the declaration, and it is asking you, is your turnover is more than 10 crore? Of course yes. Just confirm this theme and click on the button send OTP. If you once click on send OTP, OTP will be received on your registered mobile number. You require just to confirm that OTPs, and then you need to click on the button verify OTP. If you once click on the button verify OTP, the message saying that OTP verified successfully, and click on the button OK to confirm your turnovers. And here you need to select the year in which year your turnover has been crossed 10 crore. So here I am going to choose, so once check all of your details are correct on that registered number. If your business turnover is more than 2 crore, you need to select the financial year. Yes, I am going to confirm the financial year as 20 and 21, and I need to enter the amount in crores. If your PAN turnover has crossed rupees 10 crore in GST regime for any financial year, please enter the following amount in crores. So I'm going to select the year 2021 and I'm going to enter the 11 crores and then click on submit, and please confirm the same. And now we have successfully enabled GST e-invoicing on e-invoice portal, and you can see the message, all the GSTNs of your PAN will be enabled for e-invoicing, and it may take up to 25 to 30 minutes. So after 25 to 30 minutes you will be able to log into e-invoice portal, and you can generate e-invoices regularly. Hello friends, welcome. Just now we have created API users on e-invoice portal, right? So using that API user logins, you can generate e-invoice within Tally application. You also can generate e-Waybill also. You also can print all the information just from Tally application only. You don't need to open any other application. So here, first I'm going to show you how you can configure the invoice information, how you can configure e-invoice requirements in Tally application. Then we proceed to generate e-invoice. So make sure while creating a new company, you have updated your all company address including PIN code and everything. And after that, from Tally main page, by pressing F11, you just go to company features. In the company features, we require to enable GSTS and just confirm your GST number and everything. In the right side, you have invoice features where you require to apply e-Waybill is applicable, yes, e-invoice value greater than 50,000. The most important thing is that print e-Waybill can be enabled, and after that we have the much more important one, that is e-invoice applicable. You need to enable this particular button if you wanted to generate e-invoice using Tally application, and also confirm that applicable from I'm just going to confirm today's date, and I need to confirm bill from place. We are from Hyderabad, and the exchange return maximum is up to 3 days, and simply accept the same. So just now we have created a company and we have configured GST. Now I'm going to show you how you can generate e-invoice. So just now I'm going to fill up the basic sales invoices, basic sales information, and make sure while recording the sales information, the information is perfect and there are no errors in the addresses including the PIN codes of your customers as well. And I'm going to sell a Nokia watches 12 number at the rate of each one 2,500, and then as it is non-local, I'll be adding IGST after adding the all items. In the bottom you can see it is asking you provide GST e-Waybill and also e-invoice details. You need to enable this particular button and a page will be opened. If you don't, if the system is not asking you all this information, press F12 and enable all the features. If you once enable, it will be asking you all information of your delivery and dispatch. Just confirm all the information and also confirm e-invoice details. So after filling all the details, if you once go ahead, before saving the voucher, it will be asking you, do you want to send the voucher details to e-invoice and e-Waybill generation? If you once click on yes, it will be asking you to confirm your username. Do not confirm e-invoice portal logins. Confirm API username and API password to generate the e-Waybill and also e-invoice in Tally application. I'm going to confirm the API username that just now we have created, and then I'm also going to confirm the password. So I'm going to confirm the the username as well as the password. So as soon after confirming the username and the password, if you once just press enter, it will be exchanging with the now you can see the message e-invoice and e-Waybill generated successfully. The details are already updated. So I'm going to show you the print by pressing page up, Ctrl+P, I'll go to preview. On the page you can see here there is a QR code of the e-invoice, and you also can see here IRA number, invoice reference number, and even the acknowledgement date, acknowledgement number also available, even e-Waybill number also preloaded in Tally application. This is how simple it is. After filling all the dispatch and delivery information, just you need to enter your API username and password to generate. In the second page onwards, I also can see especially e-Waybill. Now and this is the e-Waybill where you can find out the complete e-Waybill information, so that you don't need to generate separate e-invoice and separate e-Waybill separately. Both can be generated together. Yeah, I'm also going to show you how you can print e-invoice from e-invoice portal also. There you need to click on the button print from e-invoice tab, and where you require to enter the IRN number or acknowledgement number. So by looking at Tally application, I'm going to enter the generated acknowledgement number. So it is not mandatory to take the print, but just I'm going to show you whether it is generated or not, just to make you perfect, to make you clear. I'm just going to take a print from e-invoice portal, so that you will get the confirmation. Okay, whatever the whatever e-invoice number that you have received in Tally, that is the same thing which is also available on even e-invoice portal also. So you don't need to go to e-invoice portal once the API is created. With using API logins within Tally application only, you can generate e-invoice as well as the e-Waybill. So that's how simple it is. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel e-invoice in Tally application as well as on e-invoice portal as well. So first I'm going to show you how you can cancel from Tally application. So from Tally application, you need to go to display more reports. From there you need to go to GST reports. From there I'll be going for e-invoice. So whatever IRN that you generated, if you wanted to cancel them, just simply press the space bar and that will be selected, and you can simply click on cancel IRN. So if you want to click on cancel IRN, it will be asking you the reasons for the cancellation. So I'm just going to open the same. I'm going to click on cancel IRN and simply click on yes. And it will be asking you the reason. Do you want to continue for the IRN cancellation? Yes. If you want to click on yes, it will be asking you why you like to cancel. So if you want to select the reason and enter the remarks, and if you want click on enter, that e-invoice will be cancelled from Tally application also. Okay, and then I'll be showing you how you can cancel from e-invoice portal also. So first I'm going to log in on e-invoice portal by using the regular username and the password. Yeah, so the API used in Tally will not be used in e-invoice portal. That is a separate logins again. Yeah, so after confirming the username and password, I'll click on e-invoice where I can see the option of cancel. So before that, I'm going to show you generated invoices by clicking on go button. You can see here the acknowledgement number. I just copy the same, and you can see the current status, which is going to show as ACT, which is known as active. So the current status is active. I already copied the acknowledgement number. I'll go to home tab, e-invoice, cancel, and then I will be entering the acknowledgement number and paste it and go. And this is your e-invoice, and I'll scroll down, and there I require to select the appropriate reason, okay, why we are cancelling. So I'm going to enter the reason as wrong invoice number used or wrong NDGS number. So based on your appropriate reason, and then click on submit, and your e-Waybill and your e-invoice has been cancelled successfully. This is how simple you can cancel your generated e-invoice. And you can go to again invoice, again you can go to reports and generated e-invoices, cancelled and if you go to cancel invoices, here you can see the complete statement of your cancelled e-invoices. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can generate e-invoice from Tally application. We will generate ASON file, and that will be uploaded on e-invoice portal. And make sure this is the method to be followed when you don't have API user login credentials with you. When you have only e-invoice portal login, but when you don't have invoice API user logins. So let's just consider we don't have API user. So in that case, put your invoice information from Tally to JSON format, and how do you upload that file on e-invoice portal to generate e-invoice. So for that, in Tally application, first I'm going to record the invoice information, and make sure your party's information and address and the pin codes are correct and there are no errors. And enable provide e-invoice information, and make sure to fill all the details correctly. So including the the distance, number of kilometer, vehicle number, the dispatch information, everything make sure that is correct and there are no errors in this data. and then I'll be confirming as a regular vehicle, and here I need to confirm E-Invoice details and everything. And before saving this voucher, it will be asking you, do you want to send this voucher? You can click on yes when you have API login, so kindly click on no as we don't have. So to generate offline JSON, you need to go to GST reports and go to E-Invoice. From there you need to click on IRN generation button. For IRN generation, and there is only one invoice is pending to generate. So here to generate JSON file, I need to click on the button exchange and send for E-invoicing. And here I need to click after selecting the particular transaction, I need to click on offline export. If I click on send button, it will be asking me API user login, so I need to click on offline export only. Yeah, so once if you click on offline export, a JSON will be created, and I'm going to choose the desktop to save my exported JSON. Yeah, after selecting the desktop, I'll be pressing Ctrl A and click on save. So a JSON file has been now created on my computer. To upload that, I'll go to E-Invoice portal now. So from the E-Invoice portal, after login, you need to click on E-Invoice button, and then I need to click on bulk upload. So whenever I click on bulk upload, it will be giving me a chance to upload the JSON file. So I'm going to choose the file from the desktop. I'll click on open. Once you click on open, that file will be uploaded, and click on the button upload. If you once click on the button upload, your E-Invoice will be generated successfully if the details are correct. Now you can see here acknowledgement number, IRN number, everything is generated successfully. Now I'm going to copy the acknowledgement number. I'm going to copy the acknowledgement number to just to show you a printout, and you also can take the print directly from here also, and you can download again signed JSON, and you also can download the PDF thing. I'm going to unzip that by opening the the folder. I right click and I'll go for unzip, and I'll be showing you the PDF thing. I'll go to desktop. Okay, yeah, and this is how I'm going to double click on the file, and this is how your E-Invoice generated, right? Thank you. In Tally application, after recording all the sales information, we have exported from Tally to JSON in our PC. From our PC to, again, we are uploading that file on the on the E-Invoice portal. So it is a two-way process. When you have API login, you can directly click on the button send, and you can enter the API username and password. When you don't have, you need to click on offline export and collect the JSON, and that need to upload on the E-Invoice portal. So this is how we use the second method of E-Invoice generation. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate E-Invoice when you don't use any accounting application. So when you have any accounting application, from that application we generate JSON and we export and we upload on the E-Invoice portal, or else within that application we enter the API username and password to generate E-Invoice. But I'm going to talk about when you don't have any accounting application, how you can generate E-Invoice. In that case is very simple, friends. Just you need to go to the button help, and from there you need to go to tools, and again you need to go to the option tools, and there you need to go to bulk generation tools. From that bulk generation tools, you need to click on the E-Invoice JSON preparation format. Just simply click on that button and you will be getting an Excel file. By opening that Excel file, you need to enter all the information according to the format required. So I'll be clicking on enable editing, and there are different sheets are available, and the sheets like we have the welcome option, and we have the profile where we require to enter the our means we are selling, right? We are selling and we are generating E-Invoice, so we need to enter our GST information, and also we need to fill up all these profile information. Do you have river charge? Yes or no. Do you have e-commerce GST? Yes or no. Do you have bill from dispatch transaction detail? Yes or no. You need to fill all these details, yes and no. And after that we need to go to the page E-Invoice where we require to fill up the supply code, whether it is B2B, B2C. We need to confirm whether it is reverse charge or not. We need to fill up all the invoice information. So whatever invoice information you have, including product quantity, measurement and everything, you need to fill all these details in this Excel file. And after filling all these details, if you once click on validate, it will be going, it will be showing you if any errors are available. If everything is perfect, it will be validated successfully, and the button prepare JSON will be available to you. And if you once click on prepare JSON from this Excel, you will be getting a JSON file, and that JSON file can be uploaded on the that JSON file has to upload on the E-Invoice portal by clicking on bulk JSON upload, and you need to browse that generated JSON file so that you can generate E-Invoice immediately. So make sure you are always downloading the latest tool from the E-Invoice portal. So keep visiting E-Invoice portal for the latest versions available on the same, right? Thank you.